I'm Lyle.
And I'm Charlie, and we're the co-founders of Etcho.
We're using the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs, 17 goals developed by the United Nations, ranging from no poverty to climate action and everything in between, to help you understand your investments and match them to your morals, and have a transformative effect on the future of our planet and the prospects of our people. Not only are we facing a climate crisis, but since COVID-19, much of the progress that we have made towards the SDGs has either declined or been reversed. Achieving these goals will open up new economic opportunities of at least $12 trillion by 2030.
We're building Etcho to empower everyone to understand the impact an individual company has on the Sustainable Development Goals before making an investment decision. We're creating an app that enables you to understand how well an individual company aligns to alleviating hunger or misaligns to gender equality, and then giving you the power to invest in companies that are working in the way that you want them to. Tell us what you care about, and we'll show you companies matching your morals.
We're entering the market at a really exciting time. Since the start of the pandemic, a record amount of young people have entered the stock market. It's predicted there is an addressable market of around 8 million people within the UK, and young investors have fueled year-on-year growth of up to 20%. In addition to this, we know more and more people are becoming concerned about the future of our planet, and a massive 90% of millennials want to align their values with their investments.
And we're just the same. We're passionate founders with backgrounds from within sustainable finance and corporate social responsibility at UN agencies. We've completed our prototype and launched our waitlist, and we're now raising funds to bring Etcho to market in Q1 2022.
My name is Henry Allen, and I'd like to tell you why I have invested in Etcho. I've been investing in the markets and companies for several years now, across a variety of different platforms. And I, like many others, have begun to think quite deeply and reflect upon the decisions I've made, the companies I've invested in, and the impact that they're having on the world. And what's become really quite clear is that existing platforms don't really provide the tools nor the information to make objective, values-based investment decisions. Now with Etcho, their framework, built around the UN Sustainability Development Goals, allows you to do just that. You can do research, you can assess existing portfolios, and you can make new investment decisions that align to your own values. It's really quite powerful, and I believe many, many people are going to find it super exciting and meaningful. I believe it has huge potential.
While sustainable finance is growing, there's not really much out there that allows you to select your portfolio and then look at that impact.
Initially, the app will allow you to screen companies' alignment against the SDGs, and you'll also be able to visualize your current portfolio's alignment. We're going to bring a whole host of other features, including discounts with partners, talks, and workshops to the app. We'll also have a space for mindfulness, so you don't get caught up in the FOMO and make rash decisions with your money. In-app investment features will be added at a later date, and when we do, we'll bring in a freemium subscription model, allowing paying users to gain access to a wider universe of stocks and deeper sustainability analysis.
Etcho Trade is just the start. Eventually, we want to be the go-to sustainable investment app, whether that's trading in stocks, funds, or directly into projects across the globe.
We hope you can join us in this early stage of our venture, and we look forward to welcoming you on our journey.